In the realm of myths and legends, one creature stands eternal. The phoenix, a bird of fire and rebirth, captivates our imagination. As its cycle nears its end, the old phoenix begins its final journey. Weary wings carry it to the place of transformation. In a moment of fiery glory, the phoenix embraces its destiny. From the ashes of its former self, a new life emerges. Vibrant and renewed, the phoenix rises once more. A symbol of hope, of renewal, of the endless cycle of existence. In its journey, we see our own struggles and triumphs reflected, for in each ending lies the seed of a new beginning. And like the phoenix, we too can rise from the ashes of our past, reborn, renewed, ready to soar towards new horizons.